Karena kita Indonesia, and this afternoon English corner.
Listen us to know the word more.
Yes.
Hi, how are you, teman Pro 2? It's glad to meet teman teman Pro 2 again this week, English corner. Okay.
And meet
Kakak
you
Iren.
again because last week.
How are you,
I'm
Kakak
fine,
Iren?
thank you. Always fine, always fine.
Always fine, yeah. We have to
Okay.
be fine, to teman Pro 2 because this is special program also, We will share for you teman Pro 2, and this is we have a special topic, of course.
Yes, because it can make what is that? Hungry.
Hungry, yeah. We don't tell the topic yet, but
Yeah.
we feel
Okay.
hungry
Yeah.
already.
Okay, and
Okay.
yes, we will talk about
Balinese food, the
yes,
best Balinese food.
And especially maybe you already know that.
Yeah, but maybe from those several foods that exist in Indonesia,
Indonesia,
but we will specify to talk about Balinese foods,
Balinese.
because as we know, every places, every what is that province in Indonesia have their special food. But
Food,
today we will
yes.
talk about Balinese foods.
Ooh.
What are they? Keep stay tuned on 105.4 FM Pro 2 RRI Singaraja.
Teman.
Culture shapes the way people see the world and can be taught as the way in which people preserve society and meet a range of human needs. Their belief systems, behaviors, and traditions are only a few factors that make up a culture. It is easy to be unaware of the tremendous impact culture plays in our life when we are surrounded by individuals who share the same assumptions and shared values. We may experience culture shock when we find ourselves in a culture different from the one we are accustomed to. Culture shock is the feeling of disorientation experienced by someone when they are suddenly subjected to an unfamiliar culture and way of life. It can be caused by a range of things, both big and small, such as unfamiliar clothing and hand gestures, strange food, difficult language barriers, getting lost in a new city, or making a cultural false path because you didn't know the local custom. This unfamiliarity can lead to symptoms such as confusion, anxiety, frustration, loneliness, and homesickness. It can even lead to physical symptoms such as insomnia as a result of time zone changes, or colds and stomach bugs due to unfamiliar foods and bacteria.
Welcome back to English Corner,
Listen us to know the word more.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we previously said that we will discuss or tell you about the best
Best
traditional
Balinese
foods
Balinese
in Bali,
food,
Balinese food.
Okay.
Kakak Iren, maybe I will ask you first, what is your favorite dish or food?
Batutu.
Betutu, yes. Betutu is one of famous
yes.
Balinese foods, Okay, can you explain us, Kakak Iren, why you like betutu before we start to mention
Especially first of all because what is it?
You like spicy?
No, spicy. So it's suitable for those who don't eat pork.
Ah, yes,
Okay.
that's right.
Yeah, like me.
Yeah,
And this especially this iconic Balinese dish consists of like a whole chicken,
right. Yeah,
or
yeah.
maybe duck.
Duck,
Yeah, okay.
yes.
And it's stuffed with traditional spices.
Yes,
Yeah,
all right.
wrapped in banana leaves, then enveloped tied in the bark of a banana trunk, like
Yeah.
that.
And yeah, for you who like spicy foods,
Yes.
if you can taste or try it,
Try
yeah,
it.
when you visit Bali.
Bali.
Don't miss it, yeah, because
Yes.
maybe outside Bali there's also several sellers, yeah, who sell betutu, but maybe the taste is different with original from Bali,
From
yeah,
Bali.
betutu.
Okay.
Okay,
And what
I-
makes betutu is what is it? Very, 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 very.
famous.
No.
What is that?
Lezat.
Oh, delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah,
Oh my
because-
God. Because of the sambal.
Oh yes. It also if you like other sambals, you also because I think the soup or
Yeah.
it's already spicy,
Spicy.
because contains of lots
Contains-
spices. Yeah. But if you like spice more,
More.
you can ask for sambal.
Sambal and then sambal matah.
Yeah, sambal mata
Okay.
from where's that onions? Yeah.
Yeah, onions and the
Chili.
Chili.
Yeah.
And I guess your favorite food is babi guling.
Ay, wow, how do you know? How do you know? Yes, because
Yeah, because you buy in front of there, yeah. I know. Okay.
yeah, oh yes, that's one of my favorite dishes. Yeah, but what is that? I can't eat this kind of food often.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so maybe it's only once a month, something like that. But yeah, as what you said, the other specialties of babi guling is maybe for me,
Yeah.
I like the skin, the brown
Okay.
skin, the crisp brown
It's
skin.
called tes kriuk.
Oh yeah, that's kriuk. Yeah, when you see the holes, pig, roasted pig. Yeah, we call guling. Guling mean
okay.
roasted. Yeah, so you can
Not
sin-
guling pillow, yeah.
No, both no, yeah,
No,
but it's
okay.
roasted pig, yeah,
Yeah,
pork. So when you see the whole one, yeah,
Yeah.
you will see the sign, sign brown
Brown,
skin.
okay, skin and
Now, what is that? Interesting to
Try.
to taste it, because yeah, that's one. Maybe not only me, but also for others who like
Likes
babi
babi
guling.
guling,
Yeah, it's also the main part. When you taste, when you want to try it, you must be ask for the skins, the
Yes.
crisp and brown skins.
Okay.
And
And not only you, maybe others people that the skin
Balinese
is
people.
as the favorite one.
Yes,
okay,
that's
from the
right.
babi guling.
yeah,
Okay.
and yeah, what is other what is that specialized from roasted pig? It's also not only the spices, also like Iran, you also provide sambal, yeah, from lemongrass.
Okay.
Mixed with onion and chilies, yeah, and also there's mixed vegetables like cassava
Okay.
leaves, yeah,
Okay.
and
It's
yeah,
called donsela.
donseller, yes, donseller.
Okay.
So,
Don't let me go.
Don't let me go. Beda itu ya, Kak.
It's different one. Okay.
Yeah, so this is make these foods are really what is that famous in Bali.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
we can say babi guling is non halal, ya.
Non halal,
This is,
okay. That's
only-
what I said before. If
Yeah.
you don't eat pork,
You
so
can
try betutu
try
or duck,
betutu.
chicken or duck betutu,
Betutu,
like that.
that's
Okay. One more that it's very famous in Bali is sate lilit.
Iya,
ya,
sate
teman
lilit.
berdua.
Yeah, sate lilit maybe different from sate.
Satay,
Mostly,
okay.
yeah, we found in Indonesia.
Indonesia,
It made from sate made from meats.
Yeah, okay.
Means like what is that? Marinated, yeah, and
yeah,
then skewered
okay.
and grilled. But sate lilit is made from
mhm,
coconut.
coconut
Yeah, and
with kind
Coconut
of
milk also, yeah, we
okay,
say
milk also.
mix with it, and then also there's also what is that
And it's
rich
yeah.
rich spices, yeah.
Spices.
You also, if you, yeah, that's why Balinese food is always taste spicy,
Spicy.
and rich of spices.
Yeah,
Like,
that's right.
we said it bahasa genep.
Bahasa Genep, yes. And the difference of satay in Indonesia and Bali, especially, it's satay lilit. It's wrapped around bamboo.
Bamboo,
yeah.
yes,
Sugar
that's
cane or lemongrass stick,
Yeah,
before it's grilled over coal, so you can enjoy satay lilit
Oh.
with or without dipping sauce.
Okay,
Okay.
may I have a plate of rice now? Hot rice? Satay
Hot
lilit?
rice and satay lilit and babi guling like that, because you are going to starving now. Yeah.
Pro 2 FM.
Hey, this is Taylor Swift.
This is Brendan from Panic at the Disco.
I'm the only one of me.
Baby, that's the part of you.
So take that fight away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. I'm on my way.
My name is Alan Walker.
Give it up for Sabrina Carpenter.
Please welcome Marshmallow and Churches.
Every day, you say the words that I want you to say. I'm on my way. Promise that you'll never find another like me.
You're listening to
Pro 2 Singaraja.
Teman terbaik kamu. 'Cause I need you here with me.
Tempe is a traditional Indonesian food made from soybeans that have been fermented using several types of rhizopus mold. This fermentation is generally known as tempe yeast. Tempe can be prepared in a variety of different ways or dishes. Apart from having a delicious taste, tempe is also a food that is rich in nutrition and beneficial for the human body. Fermentation of yeast with soybean produces complex compounds into simple compounds that are easily digested by humans. Tempe is rich in dietary fiber, calcium, vitamin B, and iron. Various ingredients in tempeh have medicinal value, such as antibiotics to cure infection and antioxidant to prevent degenerative diseases. Tempeh is widely consumed in Indonesia, but has now spread worldwide. Tempeh is very well known by vegetarians all over the world. Many of them have used tempeh as a meat substitute. As a result, currently, tempeh is not only produced in Indonesia but also in many places in the world. Various studies in a number of countries, such as Germany, Japan, and the United States, are now trying to develop superior strains of rhizopus to produce faster, better quality tempeh and increase the nutritional content of tempeh.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu. Teman terbaik kamu. Pro 2 FM.
Pro 2, still with me, Rana Mora and Trisma Lori in English Corner.
That's right. Listeners to know word more.
We're going to
Next foods.
no.
Tuh.
To
YouTube.
because
Yeah, comments.
There are so many comments here.
Okay,
We are going
who
from
are they?
Cece Irna. My favorite Balinese food is betutu. Yeah.
Oh, yes,
And
betutu.
then next,
Who is that? Who is this? Ah, so much. What is that? So much.
comments,
yeah.
it's pelacing, okay.
And also tipat
is it?
belayak, ya.
Belayak.
Dewa hai.
Dewa Sudi lawar.
Lawar, and then
Mhm.
ada tini juga kulit
Okay.
juga katanya tuh ya.
Okay.
And
what is it?
mostly like tipat belayak
Tipat
and
belayak,
what's
syobak.
that? Syobak. Oh
Pindang,
yes,
kuah
syobak.
pindang,
Oh my God.
kulit guling.
Oh my God. What else?
Okay. What is it? Okay. Without sambal matah katanya. Okay.
Oh, sambal
doesn't like
matah.
sambal matah. It's my favorite food. Sambal.
Yeah, maybe others don't like what's the onions. Yeah, some
Onions,
of
yeah.
them don't like because the taste or maybe the smell. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
So, like there was the comments, it's the favorite food is
foods.
lawar.
Lawar.
So
What's
what is
lawar?
lawar?
Lawar is one of traditional foods in Bali that we can see or found in ceremony, ritual ceremony, some like that. Yeah, it's made from chopped meats and vegetables,
Yes.
grated coconuts, yeah, and also some spices. Yeah,
Also
because
spicy again.
mostly Balinese food is contains of a lot of spices.
Spices. Okay, and so this is usually served immediately after preparation as it cannot be kept long. Nanti nanti
Yeah.
it will basi. What is
Oh,
basi?
basi, yeah, not proper to eat, yeah.
Okay.
Unedible, yeah.
There are two kinds of lawar.
What's
Lawar
that?
with blood,
Yeah,
or
called,
without blood. Lawar getih?
Lawar getih, yeah.
The red
usually
one?
the red one, and the white one is without blood. Yeah, we said what is that? Lawar putih. Oh
yeah.
yes.
White lawar.
Which one do you prefer, Kakak Iren?
Actually white.
Yeah, white one.
Yeah.
I also because I don't like maybe because the color sometimes
Yeah,
make me afraid to taste.
Afraid, and because I'm not a vampire.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So you don't eat blood, yeah.
Blood, yeah. Okay. Next,
Okay,
we
next.
have tum.
Nah, this is usually where's the best friend from lawar, yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the lawar? There's two.
Tum, yeah.
And one more is satay usually.
Satay,
Yeah, that's a
okay.
combination. The perfect food is that in one plate. Yeah, usually. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
yes.
call it nasi campur.
Nasi campur and nasi ayam also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. What is that tum? Bukan
Tum?
bukan lagi ya.
Not
No is
What is-
not Indian language, yeah, but it's
Oh.
a name of foods.
not tum pasai.
No,
not like
Kakak
that,
Iren,
yeah.
no.
It's tum ayam. Chicken
ayam.
tum.
Yeah, can be chicken, can be pork,
Pork.
can be fish also.
And then
What is that? Others it can be salt, and then coconut also, and
Yes.
some vegetables also can be
Vegetables,
made tom, yeah.
yeah, that's right. And also the taste is spicy again.
Spicy, yes, a lot of spices, and also what is that? Gurih, yeah, something
Yeah.
like that.
Salty.
And salty, because the special things in atum is the meat or maybe the vegetables, depend on the what's that the ingredients, yeah, wrapped into what's that leaf,
Leaf, yeah,
banana leaves, yeah, and then what's that stew, yeah, or and then that's made the what's that the special taste
Taste
from
and
tum.
smell,
Yeah, kan?
from the banana leaf.
From the banana
okay.
leaves.
Then we have nasi ayam and nasi campur.
Yeah, why we call it nasi campur or maybe nasi ayam?
Mixed
usually
rice,
because
yeah.
mixed rice, yeah. As what
Not
we
rice,
said.
the mix, yeah.
No, but the what's that? The meat, yeah, the collaboration between rice and meat and vegetables,
Yes.
yeah, it is what's that? A complete one, yeah.
one,
There's
yeah.
also sambal,
Sambal
usually.
also. Okay.
Oh, Kakak Iren,
Yes.
I think after this I will go to warung to buy
To buy what?
nasi
Which one?
campur.
Nasi campur. Okay, guys. For listening Sore Ceria English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more.
Because most of people in comments YouTube say that the favorite food is belayak, so we
Belayak,
are going
belayak.
to tell about belayak.
What's
Okay.
belayak?
Belayak actually is like a traditional Balinese
Cuisine.
food in
From
Buleleng.
Buleleng Regency,
Yeah, okay.
especially Desa Penglatan, Penglatan
Penglatan
village,
village.
yeah. This food can be your extraordinary breakfast menu. For
Yes.
mostly, yeah,
Mostly
eat for breakfast.
Yeah.
And these ingredients consist of Indonesian known is that ketupat.
Ketupat,
Tipat,
yeah.
or what is that tipat
Tipat,
in Balinese, yeah. But the difference between tipat Belayak with commonly common tipat is the what is that, the size and also the
Size, the look.
look, yeah. If tipat Belayak is long, yes, that. But if tipat in common is like a
Like,
triangle, yeah.
yeah.
Okay, and then the difference is also in we said another tipat Belayak also there's tipat Santok. Maybe we can
Okay.
say what is that? Give you the difference between the Mia. If tipat Belayak the what is that? The made from tipat, yeah,
Tipat,
same, but the sauce what's that, we said as bumbu kuning, yeah,
Kuning, yeah.
yellow yellow sauce.
Yellow sauce, yeah.
And
okay.
if tipat santok usually
Like a
made-
gado-gado.
gado-gado, yeah,
Yeah,
made
in
from
Indonesia.
not coconut, peanut,
Peanut sauce, peanut sauce. Yeah.
peanut sauce, and also they consist of vegetables, and then what's that, Kakak Iran, meats also, yeah, chicken,
yeah.
chicken feet, chicken feet also, yeah, some
Okay.
of them like
Like what is it? Okay, that's tipat Belayak, teman produk
yeah,
ya.
tipat Belayak.
And skin crackers.
Oh
yeah,
yes, skin
okay.
crackers also that made it more delicious.
Okay, and tipat santok
Yeah,
is
sir, chicken, and then sipat santok is usually also have some mixed steamed vegetables, yeah, like long beans, and then bean sprout, and then kangkung,
Yeah.
water
that's
water spinach,
Oh,
yeah,
water lily, yeah,
water
okay.
lily.
And the difference is tipat santok company with peanut sauce, and
Yes.
tipat Belayak yellow sauce.
Yellow sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, and also the taste is quite different.
Yeah.
And you also can, if you like spicy, you can add more chilies.
Chilies.
You can ask
Both of them.
the seller, yeah, to add more chili if you like
Chili.
spicy.
Okay.
The last but not
the
least-
cousin of the tipat santok. That is rombotan, yeah.
Yeah, this almost the same, yeah.
Same from the vegetables,
Vegetables,
but
yeah.
the sauce is different also.
Yeah, but without tupat, yeah, without tipat, yes.
Yes.
Teman Pro 2 Serombotan is a traditional food from Klungkung.
Yes, Klungkung
We
Bali.
mostly found it in Klungkung. If you visit this one of Regency, yeah,
in Bali.
in Bali, Klungkung, you can what's that, taste or try this kind of foods. What's actually serombotan? Kakak Iran, have
Okay.
you ever tasted or tried?
Yeah,
before?
it's spicy because and salty because of it made from sambal new
Yes,
and
coconut.
uyah serelimo, ya.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What is that? The difference between the sauce, yeah, from the sauce. It it's also contents of peanuts, but not dominant, yeah, something like that, yeah.
Because it's mixed with the peanut and the chili and uyah serelimo. Okay?
Yes. Oh my god.
Okay, and this the last one, especially for anak kos, ya. While in the night or
Yeah.
in the afternoon.
Yeah, want to save money more.
Yeah. Okay, that's right, because it's very what is it, cheap?
Affordable. Yeah, it can what's that? But still make you full.
Full.
Yeah, kan? Yeah, this is nasi jingo.
Nasi jingo.
In other places in outside Bali, such as Yogyakarta, we know as nasi kucing.
Nasi kucing, yeah.
Yeah, but
Okay.
we known it as nasi jingo.
Nasi
Usually
jingo.
the price around 500,000. Yeah, it's very affordable. But you
And there's many kinds of that. Yeah, the chicken, egg,
Fish also.
fish, yeah,
or pindang, something like that.
Yeah,
You can
okay.
choose your favorite dish.
This from nasi jingo,
jingo.
the variant of nasi jingo. Okay,
Yeah. So,
we are going to stop this and let's go.
yeah,
Go there to
the
find nasi jingo,
stall.
nasi jingo, and then betutu.
Yeah, usually if you want to really want to try this kind of favorite, traditional foods,
Food,
Balinese traditional food, you can go to traditional market. Yeah, like in Denpasar,
Yes.
there's a Krenang market. Yeah, you
Uh-huh.
can find all Balinese foods there, food
Some
stall,
many
something
kind.
like that. Yeah, if you want to try to another what's that? Stall, yeah, something
Yes.
like that. You can also check in Google Maps,
Google
maybe
Maps,
which one is the
okay.
best seller. Yeah,
So if
for
you want
this
to
kind.
taste the belaya, come to Buleleng.
Yes, if you want
In front of
Rombokan.
the office.
Oh yeah,
we have
around your office.
Belaya.
Yes, one of famous seller also. Yeah.
Okay.
If you want rambutan, you come to Klungkung.
Klungkung.
If you want babi guling, you can
Yeah.
go anywhere.
Any
Yeah,
in Bali,
in any regions. If you want to. What's that? Betutu, you can go to Gilimanuk.
Gilimanuk.
That's the famous place to find it.
Okay.
Okay, Kakak Iren.
We are going to starving, and thank you so much for listening to us.
Yeah, and also don't forget us. We will back next week. Yeah, with different topics. So stop for today. Yeah.
Yes,
And-
and see you next week in
Yes.
Sore Ceria English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more. Bye bye.